to me, while shifting from multiple roles, like one role to the other role, the focus on tasks moved from focus on tasks to focusing on people and vision.
Right.
Has been a tremendous change. This wonderful 10 years journey of me at Dexian has taught me that leadership is about enabling others and driving them to succeed and creating an environment to the people to do their best work. And this is what I have learned from my leaders, and I'm following it. Every changes that I've had that shifted my lens to challenging opportunities, understanding the relationship with the client, and the nuances of team dynamics. And what I have learned is that leadership is not just about having the answers readily available. It's about creating an environment so that answers can emerge from our discussion.
Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Dexian Talks, an initiative by Dexian India, where we bring inspiring conversations with people who shape our organization with leadership, impact and expertise. I am Aarti Manosekar, your host for this episode. Today we are delighted to welcome Ms. Samreen Farsana, Associate Director, GRC at Dexian India. Samreen's journey is truly inspiring. From starting as a trainee to growing into a leadership role in governance, risk and compliance, with deep exposure to quality, audits, ISO standards, cybersecurity and business resilience. Her growth here reflects commitment, continuous learning and the ability to evolve with purpose. Samreen, it's a pleasure to have you with us on Dexian Talks. Welcome.
Thank you, Aarti. Likewise.
So let's start right at the beginning and talk about your journey, Samreen. So you started here as a trainee and grown into Associate Director at GRC.
Right.
So how would you describe this journey in one line?
So thank you for beginning the session with a wonderful question, Aarti. It's been a wonderful journey so far. It's been a wonderful journey for me at Dexian of continuous evolution, starting with lots of curiosity as a trainee and growing into a role where I now drive the impact and enable a team to succeed.
So you beautifully summed it up, Samreen. So my next question is, when you first entered the space, did you actually imagine yourself building a career in GRC?
Not really, Aarti. So when I started my career, just like other college graduates, I wanted to pursue my career in coding domain, and that was my dream. And I didn't initially plan for GRC, but sometimes later, this journey has transformed me and took me to this GRC domain. And when I initially started my journey, when I hit by the words quality, compliance and audits, that's when I thought it was very interesting. And I found that this space is more crucial for any organization for that matter.
So interesting, Samreen, from coding to GRC. So yes, thank you very much for sharing that. So looking back now, what were some of the biggest learning moments that really shaped your journey at Dexian India?
So to me, the most defining learning moment came during when I was facing high pressure audits and challenging situations. Those were the times when theory met reality, and initially the intensity of preparing for external audits, especially while I'm getting into the initial audits of CMMI level 3. So that's when I was a trainee. That's when I started my career, and the very first project that has been assigned to me was CMMI level 3. That's for both development as well as for services model. And we had a very lean team to manage this entire project for the entire organization of and that too for two domains, both development and services. And slowly that journey has taken me till here.
Thank you, Samreen, and it's no small feat, right? And it clearly shows how those experiences has shaped you who you are today. So my next question is, through all these different phases that you just mentioned, what kept you motivated as you moved from learning the basics to taking on a leadership role?
I would say a strong sense of ownership and a desire to keep improving. From the beginning of my career till now, so whatever I have done, whatever I wanted, I never wanted just to do the job that has been assigned to me. I wanted to own it. Every new responsibility that came my way, I have taken that as a challenging moment, and I pushed myself to learn more and step up and contribute myself at a higher level. All these contributions has been motivated to me to come through this level, and not just this, even the leadership team of Dexian who has continuously supported and guided and provided their guidance to, and that has made the or keep the bar of motivation at the higher level.
All right. So, shifting focus a bit, Samreen, for our listeners who may not be very familiar with GRC, could you please help us understand what does GRC usually mean in the context of Dexian India?
Definitely, Aarti. So, ideally, GRC stands for Governance, Risk and Compliance. But truly and practically, if you look at it, it ensures the organization towards compliance and defines the processes and enables organization to ensure a compliance posture is achieved.
Okay.
Not only that, our GRC team keeps defining the processes and procedures in alignment with the business requirements and also with the standard requirements, and ensures that's being properly audited and ensure, like, every time we do audits, like we ensure that all the processes are followed at the organization level and on day-to-day activities.
Yeah, you simplified the entire process, which might sound complex to others.
But more than this, as GRC also covers the risk and compliance. So when we do audits, right, as part of audits like that we execute, we don't just check compliance. We also look at the opportunities for improvement. We identify like where and all we can identify, like create best practices or create a value add to the organization's existing processes in place. So every time the process keeps evolving. It doesn't just stop at one single place, and we are not just idle. It keeps like it's not just here. Even for the external audits that we perform, we keep preparing ourselves for the external audits. Every time we are going for new certifications or the standards, like we involve. And right from my career, I'm looking at it. Every time when we implemented a new process at Dexian based on the requirements of the clients to meet the client expectations, and to set the processes as per the business objectives and the business requirements. Every time when we start implementing a new standards, we start the work from scratch. We understand the business requirements right from the beginning and the business objectives. When there is a requirement from the client, we understand for which processes or or for which products or services this particular or vertical, this particular certification has to be done. So all that we have done so far, all the certifications that we are adhering to, the Dexian is adhering to so far, has been done from the scratch, and right from right from my career start. So whatever certifications that I have been working with, so I used to learn it first, and then as simultaneously I used to implement it as part of our organization.
You simplified it very well, Samreen, and it helped us understand the comprehensive work that GRC does. So bringing that into your day-to-day, what does your role as Associate Director GRC involve?
My role is a blend of both strategy as well as execution, working on audits, ensuring compliance, and managing risks across the organization. It's not just for Dexian India. We also implement all the standards and other compliance requirements for all the other regions of Dexian as well. It's dynamic and it requires both attention to detail as well as a bigger picture of view. On a day-to-day basis, I work closely with multiple stakeholders to ensure the requirements that has been set by them is clearly met, and not just that, we clearly make them understand what the concepts are all about, and we ensure that this is being followed across all the projects that they handle. I also support the RFPs and RFIs and the client audits, where I ensure that we demonstrate the Dexian compliance posture in front of the client and GRC capabilities in a structured way to the client.
All right. That sounds very dynamic, Samreen, from strategic thinking to execution. And from a larger perspective, how does GRC contribute to building a more stronger and reliable organization?
Thanks for the question, Aarti. So when you talk about reliable organization, GRC helps a lot. GRC ensures that the organization is process dependent,
Okay.
meaning work is driven through defined, consistent, and controlled process. So GRC helps establish governance structure in an organization to help all the members in an organization to work in a standardized way to ensure that all the frameworks of ISO, CMMI, and SOC requirements are met. So through audits and compliance, we ensure that we identify the gaps much ahead, so that when we are going for the external audits, all these are even before we present ourselves to the external audit, all this have been addressed. It also promotes risk awareness and accountability, so that the user takes the responsibility of each and every potential threats that they foresee.
So a follow-up question to your response, Samren. So you said your role spans quality, compliance, audits, and risk. So we want to know, how do you balance all these areas effectively?
All these areas, quality, compliance, audits, and standards, are interconnected. I see them through a single lens of processes and controls. When processes are well defined, and it ensures that it's continuously adhered in an organization, it means that we are risk-free. When processes are well defined and continuously followed, it naturally supports the quality and ensure compliance, reduces the risk. So prioritization and collaboration also plays a major role while aligning with the business needs.
So you gave us the strategic importance of GRC, and we would like to know, why is GRC becoming increasingly important in the organizations today?
So in today's environment, with increasing technologies and increasing regulatory expectations and the cybersecurity risk, GRC is gaining its importance. A strong GRC framework generally enhances credibility for an organization, demonstrating client and stakeholders about our organization and our compliance posture.
So shifting focus a bit, Samren. So you have gone through multiple roles within Dexian, right? So what has that journey taught you about leadership?
So to me, while shifting from multiple roles, like one role to the other role, the focus on tasks moved from focus on tasks to focusing on people and vision.
Right.
Has been a tremendous change. This wonderful 10 years journey of me at Dexian has taught me that leadership is about enabling others and driving them to succeed, and creating an environment to the people to do their best work. And this is what I have learned from my leaders, and I'm following it. Every changes that have had that shifted my lens to challenging opportunities, understanding the relationship with the client, and the nuances of team dynamics. And what I have learned is that leadership is not just about having the answers readily available. It's about creating an environment so that answers can emerge from our discussion.
I liked what you said. Answers can emerge from the discussion, right? So great perspective, Samren. So I want to know, you have built a strong expertise in certifications, right? And you have always mentioned continuous learning was the key. So how do certifications in areas like CSO and lead auditing strengthen your role as associate director?
For me, certifications are non-negotiable in every field that we work.
Yeah, very true.
Especially in GRC, the certifications keep evolving. The entire landscape keeps evolving, and I'll have to ensure that I'm relevant and I'm I remain effective as per the standards, so that I keep updating myself. As I told you, the industry that I work on keeps evolving. So relying on past knowledge never works, and that's never enough. So I keep myself updated, and I ensure that I'm enhancing my skills as per the industry practices.
Right. So for younger professionals who want to build a career in GRC, where do they begin?
So I would suggest them to begin with a strong foundation in the basics.
Right.
Where understanding not about the standards or the frameworks, they'll have to begin their journey with understanding about the organization where they start with. So they will have to understand the nuances in the organization, the processes from the beginning, and the business and the existing risks that they have in place, the existing technologies, that what sets the greatest foundation for them.
I think it's a great advice for anyone starting out.
Yeah,
in
it's not
GRC.
just that. You'll have to stay curious and you'll have to take initiatives and be proactive in whatever you do. And while you're implementing, you'll have to seek guidance. You will have to, right from the beginning, you'll have to obtain feedback from everyone. And that's when you will able to address all the changes or all the requirements right from the beginning, so that it end up getting the changes at the end.
Very well said, Samrin. So, we want to know, how has Dexian supported you throughout these years?
So Dexian has played a very crucial role, especially in a professional growth. Not just in my professional growth, also personally, it has helped me shape a lot. When I initially started my journey as a trainee, it has just trusted me, and I have got the opportunities right from the beginning. Even every responsibilities that has been assigned to me, it was not routine tasks.
Okay.
I think that's the belief that organization had in me. And as I told you before, all the certifications that they had, I have got a very good exposure from from everything. So if I would, if somebody asked me like how you are grown to this level, then I would say that it's because of Dexian. And Dexian has provided me a supportive environment, giving an opportunity to learn, upskill myself, to evolve in accordance with the industry best practices. And not just that, even every challenges that has been come to me, it has given me an opportunity to pushed me to learn more, step up and contribute at a higher level. If you take ownership and show initiatives, you will be getting an opportunity to step into a bigger role. And a combination of trust, mentorship and opportunity that has brought me to this level.
Right. So that leads me to the final question, Samrin. So what message would you like to share with colleagues who are just beginning their journey at Dexian?
My message would be very simple, Aarti. So stay curious, take initiatives and make the most of the opportunity that you get. And if you have the right attitude and the tendency to learn and open to change, right, and ready to learn things, then Dexian will provide you the platform, and you just have to bring in that effort, curiosity, and everything will fall in place, and you can grow along with Dexian.
So, Samrin, you mentioned that you have worked with a lot of internal stakeholders, right? So, who would like to mention as more impactful?
So, as you said, like I have worked with multiple stakeholders. I would, but I personally, I work directly with TG Suresh.
Okay.
So he's the one. He has shaped the way he talks about GRC.
Right.
That has impacted me a lot.
Okay.
And that has driven me till this stage.
Right.
And every time when he walks into a room, he doesn't talk about compliance jargon.
Right.
He talks impact. He talks about the how that GRC is going to impact the organization as a whole, and how it's going to keep the business running.
So on that note, we have a small surprise from TG sir. So he has sent us a small audio. So can we hear it?
Yes, please.
Right.
Hi Samrin. I would like to take a moment to appreciate your consistent effort and dedication. You have truly gone the extra mile, not just meeting expectation, but existing them with your commitment and positive attitude to Dexian. Your willingness to step up and support the team and make real difference. Your support is highly appreciated for our all ISO journey and CMMI, and very recently we got SOC 2 Type 2 with your full effort. Thank you for your hard work. It does not go unnoticed and it is deeply valued. Once again, I'd like to thank you I'm proud to say you are one of the best team member in GRC. Thank you.
I'm surprised, like I didn't expect this from TG.
Right. It was a great conversation with you, Samrin, and thank you so much for sharing your insights and experience with all of us.
Thank you, Aarti.
Right. So, Samrin's journey is a wonderful example of how dedication, consistency, and learning can shape a meaningful career. Thank you for tuning in today in the Dexian Talks episode. I'll meet you in the next episode with another interesting guest.
We are Dexian, in the business for good.